Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to change your name in Super VR Adventure. Okay, first of all go to your Super VR Adventure, click on Super VR Adventure. Then game start. Then click on this icon, click on settings. Then you can see the game itself does not have direct change name button inside the settings. Now back to home screen and open your Google Play Games. Then click on Profile. Now you can see your name here. Now click on your name. Then change your name. Edit your profile name. Then click on Save. Your profile has been successfully uploaded. Now go to your home screen and then restart Super VR Adventure. Then go to Super VR Adventure. Now you can see your new nickname is show up. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.